Hi, it's Easy Rider Greg. Thanks for tuning in. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing good. Butte, right up there. Yamaha College off to the right. They said they were going to start offering bachelor's degrees at Yamaha College. All they'd ever had, it's a junior college, and all they'd ever had was associates. They said now they were going to start offering bachelor's. Got that parking spot fixed so I can get out without killing myself. Is my helmet scaring him?
No.
No?
She's just that way. She's 5 months old. She wants to say hi to everybody.
Oh, she's saying hi.
The only way she knows how to say
well,
hi.
Well, yeah.
Wagging.
My cattle dog is almost 12, and
Wow.
she barks her fool head off greeting people, too.
That's all they're doing.
Hi.
No kidding,
Yeah.
She just saying hi.
Hi.
I got a Road King. Maybe we'll ride sometime. I live number 4.
Oh, well, I'm in 60, but we're leaving at the end of the month.
Well, congratulations if you want to go. Good for you.
Well, I've been wanting to get out of here since 2008.
Oh.
I hope the sale goes through this time.
The sale is right now, brother.
Yeah. Well, we've,
Hot right now.
like I said, we've been trying to sell it since 2008, and we've had a couple of times we thought it was sold, but then the people back out towards the end. I think they get to thinking about that rent and they don't want to pay it.
So where else can you live for $900 a month? Think about that. Where? Tell me nowhere.
I-
You can't live in an apartment for that. You
I don't know, but I still think that's way too much for a mobile home park.
But you're in the trees, you're in a small.
It was only $430 a month when I first moved here.
That's going up.
And they kept raising it every year, even during the recession when nobody else was raising the rent. Yep.
I know.
But we're moving to a
Really well.
we're moving to another state where the houses are cheaper.
Yeah, Texas.
Arkansas.
Arkansas. Yeah, you'll do well.
And of course my wife loves the scenery there, but I know she's not going to be happy about the 5 months of 90-degree and 95% humidity though, because she complains here the two months out of the year that only part of those 2 months we have 90% humidity.
Somewhere else.
But at least we can buy a house there for under $180,000.
They're nice.
Hopefully we'll find a place that's not in a flood zone though.
Yeah, that's the thing.
As all those places in the southeast, they get so much rain,
Right.
even if they're not on a river though, the feeder creeks flood the
Why they're
neighborhoods.
green, right? Beautiful.
Yeah, that's why they're green, yeah. Well, there's some of that traffic I've been telling you about. But it's still not as bad as sometimes when I come out here. Sometimes it's just awful. But you can see that it's really dreary here today.